What's up, squad? So we have my buddy Steve here, and he has his first Isochain, which of course I conned him into it. This is all just a hoax. I mean, this thing doesn't actually work. So let's have him open it. So, go ahead, man, do your thing.
All right. I'm actually really excited about this.
A lot of hardware in it.
Gotta keep it protected somehow, right?
Yeah.
Into the cardboard.
Here you go.
Been waiting for this day for a long time, man.
Steve's been using the OG Isochain for the last couple months, and he was like, yeah, screw that.
All right. Oh wait, we gotta open this part. I think it all comes out as one.
Oh. Oh man.
Oh, there's the plate.
Dang, it looks like it's even better than.
It's not all bent up.
Yeah, that too.
Okay, we got the batteries for it. And I don't know what. Oh, that's the chain. That's the chain right in there. We'll open that up. And there she is.
It is.
The thing that makes all the difference.
And it's the 2.0 one too. Did you know that they're selling the bar now by itself?
Yep.
Oh shit. Yeah, I'm about to get one of those too. Just to have, like, bring it places.
It's like a fifth of the cost too, which is nice.
Mm-hmm.
But I like having all of it. But yep, there's the 2.0.
Cool. Man, that could have been bad. That's a heavy duty spring on your foot.
Yeah, no, that's.
Yo, your plate's different, bro.
It is?
They made, yes. Your plate's different. Yeah, this one's like smooth. This one's like, I like this one even better. Okay, Dragon Door, we see you. Oh, okay.
Liking this.
I wonder if they made it like more reinforced.
Maybe.
Like, you can definitely see a difference.
Yeah, it's more like these grooves are more defined.
This is the one I have. I don't know if you guys can see it. This is like more slick. And this is like more, I don't know what the term is for it. Can you see it? Like the light reflect off of it a little differently? Improvements have been made.
You want to show them what all you get with it?
Well, the first thing you get is a lifetime supply of gains, as long as you continue to use it. The spring, the 8-foot chain, swivel, the snap hooks, or some people call them carabiners, the same thing. Yeah, this is nice. I really like these. The ones that spin. I cannot find these on Amazon to replace some of the ones I have now, but like these ones that spin and interlock are really nice. The base plate though, your base plate looks sick though. You wanna hook it up?
Yeah.
First thing you wanna do is hook the spring.
Okay.
And then, yep, that one. And then you wanna put it, I guess, whatever chain link you want. Yeah, we're gonna have to number that eventually.
Yeah, that's fine. Do.
And then, yep, put that one in. Lock it in once you're in, and you never take it off. You don't have to take that off. And then put that in there. And now we put it in there, and then now we don't take it off.
Now we can screw it on as far as we want.
And that swivel is there. In case no one knew from one of my early videos, is that swivel is there to take the torque away from the loading ring when we're going into it. That loading ring is everything.
Okay, now we don't take it off.
Awesome.
Sweet.
And then there's the, it tells you the basics about the Isochain, the modes, the different modes. Adjusting it, and you see that it goes from top to bottom. I remember the first time I did it, in my early videos, I had it in reverse and had chain hanging from the top, which was kind of awkward. What's really cool though is it has the beginner mode and exercises on here. If I could turn the page, that'd be awesome. There it is, the quick start programs. As of this recording, I'm working on finishing up editing program C right now, which is a pure strength, which is nuts. But yeah, you already saw A and B at this point. It's really cool that it gives you like some starts. You know what the first exercise you're gonna do is? Oh, I'm asking you. I don't know.
Oh, I have no idea. Oh, does it just take one battery?
You slide it in to the right.
Ah, there we go.
And then I'll be honest, they're kind of annoying to get out. I think I'm still on the original of mine. Still.
Yeah, there it is.
There it is. Yes. So the modes. So are you familiar with doing the modes yet? So like if you
not yet.
All right. So if you do actually, if you could put it down.
Yeah.
Yep. And if you hit the up button here, load, hit L. It'll change to, hit low and it'll change to L. Then you hit up and it's at 200. It's always gonna be at 200 by default. There are times when it blinks twice like that and sets to 0, that means that it's at 200.
Okay.
So it will not make a beep sound until after you either match or surpass 200 pounds of force on the display. If you ever wanted to change that, actually if you ever want to check it, just hit up. And that'll see, okay, he set it to 200. It'll blink again and it'll reset it back. Now, if you want to reduce it or increase it, all you do is just, as long as it's on load mode already, all you do is just hit up or down.
Okay. Oh, and then it just decreases where you want it at.
And then it'll blink twice. And if you forgot, like, hey, did I set it? All you gotta do is hit it once. That's it.
Nice.
If you want to use time mode, this is not trickier, it's just one more extra step. So first thing, hit that, it'll take you off of load mode. Hit it again, now you're on time mode. So the same thing here, it'll still be at 195 pounds of force, but if you hold time mode, see that 6?
Yeah.
So it's always at 6 seconds by default, which is set for strength. It'll set and it'll reset it to that. If you wanted to do the strength / hypertrophy, hold it. And then just hit up.
Set it for 20.
Set it for 20.
Yep.
Blink twice. And then as you rise up through the strength hypertrophy, the closer you get to 45, the more it's hypertrophy only. And then if you want to be a real badass, you put it to freaking 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
For endurance holds. Average mode, I actually have a video coming out on that soon on how to best utilize average mode. I really do like average mode when we're doing hypertrophy lifts because that's like, okay, well, I was holding it and like it's fluctuating. You're not gonna be able to sustain that amount of force the whole time. But like the whole time that you perform that lift, your numbers are gonna be here and it's gonna be a slow decrease down. When you're down here, there's no way you're getting it back up. I mean, that's just like, if you're doing a yielding isometric hold with dumbbells, after 20 seconds and you simply just don't have the strength to lift it back up because of all the damage.
Right.
So that's why you use average mode. So like if you, actually I could just pull it this way. So if you just, right now it's at 20.6, 20.8, 21, 20, lowering up 15, okay? And my average was 15.2 for all that. And that's one set. Then you do the next 2 sets after your appropriate rest time.
Right.
And it's like, okay, Sunday, my average for all 3 sets was 15, 14, and 11 pounds. So the next day, to get progressive overload for hypertrophy, now you just try and beat the average mode number first.
Okay.
So it's like, okay, I did 15, 14, and 11 or whatever, so let me just try and get 15, 14, 12. You know, and that's the beauty of having a number there versus just ripping and just not knowing.
Right.
That's exciting, man.
Yeah. No more trying to guess at it.
I guess now that we've arrived at this point, because you've seen from October 5th to now, what is today, September 3rd?
Yep.
Is there anything that you want to say to the squad? I mean, like, thoughts on, like, what you think about, I guess, your thought process on ultimately you purchasing that, because we all know that's not cheap. So
Yeah, I really think it's a good investment, especially that, you know, if you know, you can't make it out to the gym, or you know, stuff happens, we get into another lockdown or something like that, you know, how things have been over the past, you know, 18 months here. I mean, it's an investment into my health, and it's definitely something I'm looking forward to, you know, using and utilizing. And the great part is the fact, you know, I was able to get this because they, you know, I have a pretty affordable payment plan, and that's why I got this.